Hi, I'm David from TPAS, and today we're in Newport with Newport City Homes. They've turned a derelict pub into 6 new houses and a couple of flats. And we're coming to see their own EPC-A, highest energy efficiency.
I'm Reese at Project Utopia. Project Utopia, we're responsible for the delivery of the superstructure for this build. We are a modern methods of construction provider.
Hi, my name is Beth and I work at Newport City Homes, and we're here at our Cwrt Y March development. All of the properties have infrared panel, mixergy cylinders and mechanical ventilation. The build is through Utopia structurally insulated panels.
The panels will enable you as tenants to energy efficient buildings to reduce your energy bills.
All of these homes are smart homes and are run from a smart thermostat, which you can also use on your phone, so you can turn things on and off remotely. The way that all of this technology works means that the homes run basically by themselves with minimum input from our customers.